I am right now at the new O'Neill Hall. It's part of the Campus Crossroads project, and just so you know, it's adjacent to the south end of the Notre Dame Stadium. This is a six-story, 100,000 square foot project, so a very big building. Here to help explain it all is Notre Dame's Chair of the Department of Music, Peter Smith. Peter, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks. It's a pleasure to be here. Really exciting.
Awesome. Now, tell us exactly where are we right now.
Okay, so we are on the ground floor of O'Neill Hall, and we're on the east side of the Leahy Gate in the LeBar Family Recital Hall.
Got it. And we were talking off camera. The Deepak Layton Hall is a concert hall specifically designed for recitals, but that seats about 900. There was a need for a smaller space, right?
Yes, that's absolutely correct. And this space that we're in right now, this recital hall, will fulfill that need in a spectacular way. It seats 175 people, which is ideal for certain kinds of repertoire like string quartets and duo sonatas from the 18th century, the 19th century, and also song recitals for voice and piano. And so in this space, our students will perform their degree recitals. We'll also host guest artists in this type of repertoire. So behind us is where the stage area will be. And around this way is the backstage area, which will be quite elaborate to meet all the needs. We have the beautiful windows here on the south side. And up on a mezzanine level behind us will be a recording control room so that we'll be able to video record our events, which will also be to great advantage for us as we publicize them.
Nice. This is a wonderful setup here. Was this designed specifically with Notre Dame's university community in mind?
Yes. In fact, all aspects of the building were designed in this way, and it was an extraordinary process. We started working, I headed a team of music department faculty, and that committee worked with the university architect, Doug Marsh, and the external architects on the design of all aspects of the building. We worked probably, I'd say, about 2 years with them on the project, meeting at least once a month face-to-face, and a lot of email and conference calls went in between those times. And so we really have everything a music department and a program in sacred music needs. Not only the recital hall here, but we have another performance space on the west side of the Leahy Gate. Upstairs on the second floor, we'll have the music library, classrooms, a large lecture hall, 2 additional rehearsal spaces, and then further up in the building, all the faculty offices and practice rooms and lounge space for faculty as well. So it's going to put us so far ahead and just be spectacular in every way, meeting our needs precisely all throughout.
And speaking of ahead, looking ahead, I know a lot of students at home are wondering, will this be open for the fall?
So the plan for quite a long time now has been for this particular space to open in the middle of the next academic year. So we'll be moving in some of our equipment and materials over the course of the fall semester. In particular, the university has funded a purchase of a large number of new pianos for us, including a new concert grand piano for this recital hall. And we'll be able to move things like that in over the course of the fall semester, and then we'll make a very quick move of all the rest of our things between the 2 semesters, from the end of the fall semester going on from there, so we can hit the ground running with the start of classes in January 2018.
Peter, thank you so much for having us.